Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable light mode on Bybit. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your Bybit app on your phone just like this. Then you tap on your profile icon right here, you tap on it, then same time you move up here and tap on the gear button, which is the settings icon on the app. Tap on it, then you scroll down a little, then you tap on this option, which is the color theme. You tap on it, then right here you have the options for the themes. Is that you go on dark mode or you go on light mode. At the same time, there's another option, which is the system default themes, which is actually works hand in hand with your system settings. So if your current settings on your phone is on dark mode, this will be the automatic process for this app. Then it will automatically turn your in-app to dark mode. And if your app is currently on light mode, if your phone is currently on light mode, this app also will copy the system settings for the light mode and for the dark mode. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.